What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance. Tonight we're going to show you our latest project from the shop. This is a 2019 Ford F-150 with a Whipple Stage 1 Supercharger. So Brad really put us to the test when we say you imagine we build, because this is insanely unique. So we'll start with the trim. It is a 302A XLT F-150, but he had requirements that it had to have chrome, it had to have a black interior, and it had to have a center console shift, which if you know Ford trucks, you know that's not possible. So we started with the XLT Sport, we removed the painted bumpers and put chrome bumpers on. The other thing he really liked is he loved the outside appearance of the STX, so we of course took the STX Grille and added it to the XLT Sport. So once we got the Ford spec to the way he wanted it, we start with the upgrades. This truck is set up beautifully. It's sitting on a set of 22-inch KMC wheels wrapped in Nitto tires, and this is one of the first trucks that we've done with a big brake kit from Wilwood. It's 6 pistons on the front, stock brakes on the rear. Of course, the heart of the build is a Whipple Stage 1 Supercharger, by far our most popular kit for 2019. Another unique part of this kit is he decided to leave his exhaust stock, which I thought was kind of strange, but when you drive it, it's really cool because you can really hear the induction noise and enjoy the supercharger because there is no loud exhaust in the back. So we'll show you exactly what that sounds like. Now, this wasn't Brad's first supercharged truck. It's actually his third. I can't remember the year of his first one.
You what?
You had one job. So now we're inside. Sorry, we were shooting outside in the nice fall scenery, but Jonathan decided to forget our batteries. So we died out there. So now we're back in the service drive. Not exactly sure where I left off. I know I was talking about his F-150s. I can't remember the first year he has. He has a 2007 supercharged F-150 at home, and now he's adding the 2019. So jumping back into the upgrades, if you come over here, you can see we added the Caltracs Traction Bars to the back, which actually makes a very big difference. Driving the truck compared to some of our other builds, it adds a lot of stiffness and rigidity to the back, which helps you put the power to the ground. All right, now as we go under the hood, you can actually see it a lot better than most of our other F-150s because of how low the truck sits. But in terms of power adder, he decided to go with a Whipple. This is a 2.9 liter Gen 3. It makes right at 725 horsepower. The reason he decided to go with our Stage 1 kit is because it does have the optional 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, which Brad did decide to do. And he even gets the Husband of the Year award because he's surprising his wife with a set of 22-inch chrome wheels for her expedition at home, so everybody gets an upgrade. The first thing you'll notice as we come into the interior is exactly why Brad wanted this specific trim. You're gonna have the black interior instead of the gray. You're also gonna get the center console shifter, which is really nice. Some options that the 302A gives you is you're gonna have a power slider in the back, dual heated seats. Another awesome feature of this package is the Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen, which does give you the opportunity to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for checking out our latest build from Beechmont Ford Performance, and a special thanks to Brad for coming 839 miles to do business with us. He's staying in a hotel across the street, and he's gonna head out in the morning, so we very much appreciate your business. If you'd like more information on a build just like this one or wanna start one for yourself, give us a call anytime or visit us online at beechmontford.com.